What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel today. So what we're gonna be doing today? All right, today we have a lot of stuff to be done. We found out that we have a gearbox and transmission exactly like ours in another car at a junkyard. So it recently came there, so we're gonna go there before someone else goes there and try to take the gearbox out. So that's the project we're gonna work on today, is removing the gearbox from that car. As we previously spoke about in our video, we took out a gearbox here. We took out the gearbox from our car and we have gear issues. You can watch our previous video and then you can get more information about what happened or how we're going about doing this one. So we have gear issue here, and as I said, we haven't worked on gearbox for ourselves, so we're not going to rebuild it. We're just going to try to get a new one or a used one. So for the used one, we're going to go take that out and we can put it in this one. Hopefully it's in great condition, because as I said, it's in a junkyard, so we don't know the state that it's in, if it was damaged before it got there or what's the case. So hopefully, keep our fingers crossed, we can go there and get it removed and there's no issue. Okay guys, so we're on location. We're in a junkyard here where you can find lots of cars here. There's a lot of Hondas here and stuff. So here the car is. We're gonna remove the transmission here, hopefully, because someone took out the rubber here, so hopefully it's not damaged or anything from the rain or anything. So that's what we're gonna do today. So you guys stick around and follow the process as we try to remove this one and to put it in our cars. Alright, so guys, we finally took out the engine and the transmission alone. So what we're going to do now, we're going to try to release all the bolts. We already started releasing the bolts and stuff, so we're going to turn it on the side so we have full control over the transmission by itself. Alright guys, so we're back in the garage and this is the old transmission that we took from this car here, and then here's the one that we just got from the other car in the junkyard. So this one is a bit more sturdy and firm. Hopefully this one works and we don't have any issue. So we're gonna put this one back under the car. We're gonna do a bit of cleanup first. We're gonna clean up all these old grease and dirt from where it was or whatever was happening to it. The gear shifters seem to be working fine. Everything else has been good, so that's good. So we blocked off where the axles go so we don't have any dirt go inside on both sides. So we try to stuff it and make sure it's not leaking. So what we might do, if anything, we might just use one to repair the other one. Just open them both and then use some of the gears from one to repair the other one and then put it under the car. So this is it. Yeah. So guys, we've hit a roadblock again. Okay, so this time with the new transmission and gearbox that we got, the starter for this one, it's, as you can see, it's to the front, and on the other gearbox it's to the back, right? So the one we got it from, the car we got it from was from a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart, and then this is a 2006 Mitsubishi Ralliart. So that's the only difference between the gearbox and transmission. As you can see here, like we've brought them here. So let me show it to you guys. So this is the one, you can see this marking here, right? This is the back end of the transmission. So this direction, as you can see, is to the back. You can see that arc here, that's to the back. This one is to the front. So this is right where the clutch fork comes out. The starter is right over the clutch fork. While on this side, the clutch fork is on this side, right? No arc for the starter, right? So that's the issue I'm having. It's on the opposite side. So I'm gonna have to source another one again after all that cleaning up and pulling out and getting cut and all that. But you know, that is what we do. As you can see, hands scrape up and all that. But you know, this is not gonna be anything that discourages us from continuing this build. Today was on holiday, Victoria Day in Canada, so most of the places were closed. So what we're gonna do tomorrow, when everything opens back again, we're gonna try to see if we can source it, to see, you know, where we can get it, and then we can put it on this car. As you can see, all the sensors, this one here, there it is right here, right above where the axle goes, as you can see. So it's the same. Then this one here is the same that goes on this part. So this is the speed sensor. It's the same thing, same place they are located. Everything lines up, the splines, everything is the same on both of the gearbox. Only thing is different is where the starter goes, right? So the starter goes here on this one, and let's see if I can turn it so you guys can see from this angle. Okay, so you can see where this one is. This is on the opposite side. So that's the only thing that's stopping us right now from proceeding. As you can see, look at these. All these are lined up just the same. 5 just the same. Everything. Only thing is different. Even the plugs here, same thing here. Everything. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna try to get tomorrow. We have a 90-day return for this one from the place that we got it. So, well, this is not 90 days, actually 1 day. But the good thing that we found out early and didn't had it sat down, and then, you know, 2 weeks or 3 weeks later of it being sitting here, it doesn't work. So, all right guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video while we try to source another gearbox and transmission for this car. This is gonna be something epic that we're gonna do. So this is only a small phase that's gonna stop us right now. Yes. So, yep. See you guys. Thanks for watching.